My name is Marta Fortes. I work for the University of Limerick. I coordinate the Spanish for Business modules, but I also lecture in different modules related to language and technology, and my research is related to the use of virtual reality for language learning. What I'm going to present today is how to use extended realities for language learning. Extended realities comprise VR, AR, and also mixed realities. I'm only going to talk about VR and AR. Then first, augmented reality. What is it? Augmented reality brings virtual objects into the user's space while combining real and virtual into a mixed environment. Then we can use different content in 3D to develop skills, to collaborate. It gives the learner sense of presence as well as immersion and bridge formal and informal learning. For language learners and language education, we can use different pictures, videos, sounds, and animations to develop the language skills. And AR triggers the interaction between the individuals and the environment, creating a bidirectional learning experience. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is defined as a computer application that enables its users to experience immersive three-dimensional visual and audio simulations, as well as actively interact in this new learning environment. There are 3 types of immersion. Then we have the non-immersive experience. The non-immersive, you access the VR space through a computer or through a mobile phone, and you are represented as an avatar. The semi-immersive that are probably less used because they are very costly. They use big projectors, big displays, and it gives the sense of that, a semi-immersive experience in the user. And then the full immersive that we can access this feeling of full immersion in a virtual world with the headsets, VR headsets, such as the Oculus Quest or the Apple VR glasses. Then here I'm presenting an example of a VR app that is free. It's called Engage. Then in this VR app, besides practicing a language, mostly English, you can use it as a professional development app because you can connect with different companies around the world as well with different universities. You can attend conferences, attend events, workshops. Then we will look at this app more for career development. But of course, if your first language is not English, it's a great app to practice English. I don't think you can hear the video in this recording, but as you can see, this was the recording made from a conference in VR, and we can see here the expert is explaining how educators can use VR, and then you can talk to people that are in your field, and it's more interactive than accessing maybe with your mobile phone or your computer. Other tools that we can use with these technologies is, for example, augmented reality, the use of mobile augmented reality translation systems. Using a smartphone camera and touch screen that requires the user to simply take a picture of the text in order to produce a translation presented as an AR overlay. The translation replaces the original text in the live camera stream, matching the background and foreground colors, estimated for the source image. Then we have different augmented reality translation apps such as Google Lens, AR Camera Translator, or AR Translator for Apple. Here is an example of an app that is free that you can download in your phone. As you can see here, I took a picture of a book page and it translated the book was in English, and I asked the app to translate it into Spanish. Then it gave me the full translation, and then I tried with a Kindle because I wasn't sure if it only worked with a paper format, but no, it also works with digital format. Then I took a picture with my phone of the Kindle page, and it translates the page that was in English into Spanish. What other things can we do in AR? We can create location-based puzzles, treasure hunts, using, for example, Mapbox. Mapbox is an app that facilitates the creation of location-based games through world maps and location data. World Maps location search and navigation APIs, application programming interface, and well, you need a minimum knowledge of Unity. Unity's coding to create these location-based AR games and use the Mapbox, but however, there is an infinite range of self-service AR creators that will help you to create a treasure hunt to do with your students, or if you are a learner, to do with your friends, as the one I've given you here in the example. What else? We have, some VR apps for language learning. We have Mondly. Mondly was one of the first created VR apps for language learning that combines the VR technology and automatic speech recognition. Allows the user to practice real-life conversations in 30 languages. Then I'm giving you a table here that you can use if you decide to try different apps or tools in AR or VR, and to reflect on the skills each app is developing. Then in listening, what are your objectives for the listening? Have you used the app? Did you achieve this objective? This table can be used for evaluation if you're a practitioner, but also as a learner, if to track your own progress. More ways to learn in language in VR is joining virtual exchange in language exchange, in VR, such as this platform that allows you to have a language exchange between Japanese and English, and the same, we have the feeling of being more interactive, more like a game, and investigates the sense of a more informal environment. Then you can also play video games like Elixir or access Duolingo in VR. There are different VR worlds such as Horizon worlds or Spatial. Here, besides interacting with people, you can learn about the culture of different countries, as this example of a store in a Japanese country. And you can watch immersive videos in VR that are available in YouTube, or access 360 photos and information in Facebook. And you can create your VR space as well. For example, here, maybe I won't have time to show you, but I created a museum for my Spanish students. Then the idea, they will access the museum, they will look at the paintings, they will learn the culture in Spain, and then they will have to present, maybe themselves, they will have to present a picture or a painter that they like and give more information, more background information. This is particularly helpful when you are preparing students to go on Erasmus. They can present other, no, in the museum you can present other type of pictures. You can present pictures of food or pictures of monuments, places to visit as well. Besides each picture, you can add a bit of information, and you can also upload even videos. Then it gives you a lot of flexibility. And some of the comments that the students made here while using the VR app is, for example, like this, the collaboration in VR allow the creation of a more informal atmosphere instead of practicing the target language in a classroom environment. And yeah, like an example of how it helped them to use to improve the language, it was to verbally communicate to one another through a spatial, and they say it was a great application that broke up the serious business calls we usually have on WhatsApp or Skype. And the same, another reference, that it was a great opportunity now to have full conversations in Spanish with native speakers, as they were collaborating also with the University of Valencia in this spatial app. And well, if you have questions, please contact me on marta.forteside@ul.ie. And here are the reference. And thank you very much for your time.